Guess what? I realized Jack is the best brother ever. I'll show you his new superpower. Behold, the greatest superpower in the world. Oh, Jack, come here. This is the good Jack. Hi, Jack. I lined up these toys. And you use your laser eyes? For toys, I'll use my laser eyes. Meow. 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 I wish I had that power. So awesome. It's opened! It looks like a cat. It is. Whoa. Smells good. We got Sweetie on the fish. She can't swim. What is this? So fuzzy. Puff the lamb. Whoa! It's like a bracelet. Whoa! It's Snowy! A polar bear. Look, earrings. See, you are the cutest. Push open. I guess I have a cold. No! Oh no, fire! I gotta get this out super speed. You didn't do anything, it's still on fire. Still on fire. Still on fire. Finally! That took a long time. Oh no, I think I'm going to sneeze again. Phew! That was a close one. No! I missed it! Dash is on the way. You didn't do anything. It's still on fire. I guess Jack doesn't have the best superpowers. I think Frozone has better ones than you. Yeah. Like this video and subscribe. Bye. Let's do another video. Bye. Help me. Hey, just kidding.
Hi everybody, it's Valerie here with Dash and Jack. Jack attack! Oh no! Jack, are you going to cause any problems today?
Yeah!
Uh-oh, I hope not. Well, today we're at a really awesome, colorful park. Look at those slides. So beautiful. And we are going to find some really cool Incredibles 2 surprises. Nothing but Incredibles toys. Are you ready to find them, Jack? Do you see one, Dash? Why don't you dash away and get it? Ooh. Is it? Frozone! Oh, cool, you got Frozone. Look at him. He has the ice sled back here. Let's see the back. That's an awesome action figure. So you can keep that. And wait, where did Jack go? Oh, boy. What did he find? Did he find anything? Did you find anything? Oh, let's see. Mr. Incredible hid the toys. So we'll see if we can find any. Oh yeah, you found one? A car? You want to open it up? You got something, what did you find? Oh, a motorcycle. That's Elastigirl's motorcycle. Oh yeah, Frozone can go on it. Okay, let's open this. So this is the Underminer's car. Let's open it up. Oh, there you go. Is that cool? Yeah. And here is a Frozone. We'll open that up and then we'll look for some more toys. Can I drive all the way down? The Miner's Tunneler, I think is what it's called. Underminer. Here, have it go down. Ready, set, go! Woohoo! And Frozone can stop it. There you go. Freeze it!
Mine.
Yours. There you go. Woohoo! Dash is excited. What are you going to find? Whoa! Woohoo! I hope there's something over there. Oh, that's pretty high. Mr. Incredible did a good job hiding stuff. There it is, right up there. Sweet, we got a blind box. So we'll open that in a little bit. Let's keep on finding more toys, okay? Hey, it looks like Jack found a blind box too. I think it was inside the slide. Good job. I see something over there. There's Jack attack. This is such a cool doll. I'll show you that in a minute. And let's keep on looking. Is there anything over here? Anything on the rock wall? I think I see something. It is Mr. Incredible's car. That one's really cool. And these are die-cast toys. Okay, another part of the park. Another blind box. I think this is the third one. So we'll open that after we find some more stuff. Do we have anything else? Anything in these really cool double slides? Oh, you found something. What is that? Jack! So these were the minifigures we found in the tunnel slide. And it's Mr. Incredible and Jack. Those are really cute. And now let's open up the blind boxes. Do you want to open up this one?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're opening up two of them. Can you see what it is? Oh, we got Edna. Cool. And who did you get? Hopefully Jack. Did you get Jack?
The baby.
You got the baby. Yay! That was the one I wanted. Oh, that's so cute. So let's open up this third box. What is it?
Cool.
What is it? Yay, another Jack. That's so cool. Those are pretty cute figures. Now let me show you Jack. He is so cool. So you press his tummy and he makes sounds, but his face actually lights up red. Let's see if we can see it. Oh, you see how it's lighting up red? It's kind of hard to see in the sunlight. Then it turns blue, and look at those blue eyes, they're glowing. Oh, so cool. So you can kind of see it better from the pictures. Red eye, blue eyes. And he can cause some mayhem with this raccoon. Well, everybody, I hope you liked all these new toys, and write down in the comment section which one was your favorite one. And also remember to like and subscribe.
Lemonade, only 25 cents. It's fresh lemonade. So yummy. Look, we already made $1. I'm keeping it safe in my cowboy backpack. Yeah, this. Yeah. Not Jack. Gecko. People won't buy lemonade if you say it's yucky. You want to buy some lemonade? Nobody has come in a long time. I have 3 more cups left. Whoa, is that some lemonade? I really love lemonade. Let me get in a dash. Whoa, what happened to one of my lemonades? You have to pay for that. There's a quarter inside. That person is super fast. Is that person faster than me? Yeah. I don't know. We should have a race. Hey, you're the one that got the lemonade? Yeah, I'm Dash, and I'm super fast. Not as fast as Super Cat Speed. Let's have a race. lemonade stand. On mark, get set, go! Hey, you have to pay for that! I can't believe it. That was really fast. Blink. Hey, my... Oh, my lemonade! Hey, 2 quarters, 50 cents. Hey, Catboy, you make some really good lemonade. Hey, come back here. You're pretty fast for a cat, but not as fast as me. Hey, how are you so fast? I'm pretty fast because I'm a superhero. Wait, I'm a superhero too. You don't have big muscles. Yeah, see? Here, I can make you faster, okay? What do I do? You normally say super cat speed, right? What you really need to say is super-de-duper cat speed. What? Super-de-duper cat speed? Whoa, I'm faster! Whoa, he's as fast as me! Now let's get fast. Let me get cassette go! It's a tie! We should race more often. And you should make fruit punch more often. Bye! Hey!
The toy used in this video was given to us by the Antsy Pants company, and it is a lemonade stand. What's really cool is you can build the stand and play with it, and you can actually use all of these plastic tubes and make other things too, so it's pretty creative. You can buy this separately, and you buy this build and play set separately too. So this is a small kit, and it comes with tons of different little pieces that can snap together. And my kids actually made a tent out of these extra pieces, and we played with the lemonade stand this morning before this video. I like the lemonade stand because it is bright, and if you actually wanted your own lemonade stand, I'm pretty sure people would stop at it because this is so brightly colored and really adorable. Well, everybody, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe, and also check out more videos by AllToyCollector.
What? Super-de-duper?
Super-de-duper.
Can you help